Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product which name is Depology MATRIXYL 3000. Is it worth the hype? Let's talk about this serum. This serum formulated to hydrate the skin, reduce the visible signs of aging, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Let's first talk about key benefits. This serum boosts the effects of microdarts, hydrates skin and reduces signs of aging, increase collagen production and reduce signs of aging, and appearance of fine lines and wrinkles was greatly reduced after over 3 months of consistent use. Best MATRIXYL 3000 pairing ingredients. MATRIXYL can be used with hyaluronic acid, retinol plus tretinoin niacinamide, and copper peptides. MATRIXYL cannot be paired with other acids like glycolic acid, mandelic acid, and other type of acids. Which skin type CA use this serum? The MATRIXYL 3000 Collagen Boosting Serum can be used by all genders and on any skin type. Whether your skin is dry, oily, normal, sensitive, or mature, this serum is ideal for nearly everyone looking to minimize the effects of skin aging. It is also vegan, cruelty-free, artificial fragrance-free, sulfate-free. This serum is rich with vitamins and minerals. It contains MATRIXYL 3000 and argireline, which are widely recognized for their remarkable wrinkle-reducing effects. These ingredients stimulate collagen and elastin production, helping to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This serum contains hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid has the ability to retain moisture, keeping the skin moisturized and nourished throughout the day. With regular use of this serum helps improve skin elasticity, making it firmer and more resilient. This results in a smoother and more toned appearance, reducing the visibility of sagging skin. This serum has a lightweight and non-greasy absorbs quickly into the skin, allowing for effortless application and maximum absorption of the active ingredients. It leaves the skin feeling smooth, supple, and refreshed. How to use this serum? Cleanse and tone the skin thoroughly. Simply add a few drops of serum to your palm and gently massage it over your face, neck, and hands, or any other places where wrinkles are more prominent and visible. Apply liberally to areas prone to wrinkles as we age, such as the forehead and around the eyes. This water-based serums combine well with various anti-aging serums to improve skin. Apply your favorite microdart patches once the serum has completely absorbed into the skin. When the microdarts come into touch with the skin, they begin to dissolve and activate the serum. Finishing with applying moisturizer to your face so it can effectively lock in key ingredients. Apply the moisturizer around the patches if you are wearing them. Final thought. I really like this serum. It comes in a dropper form, which is very easy to apply. I also like how my skin feels after using it. I like that it helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and I also like that it has collagen in it. I use this 2x a day, once in the morning and once at night. I would highly recommend. In short, it is designed to target and slow down wrinkle formation while promoting the production of collagen in the skin. Thanks for watching.